Everybody is looking for ways to create engaging, faceless videos. In today's digital age, video content is king, and the demand for high-quality, engaging videos is higher than ever. But what if you don't want to show your face on camera? Faceless videos are a fantastic solution. Creating engaging faceless videos is a breeze with invideo-io. Let's uncover how. Invideo-io is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning videos without ever needing to step in front of a camera. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone looking to produce professional quality videos quickly and easily. Faceless videos allow you to share your message and connect with your audience without revealing your identity. This can be particularly useful for sensitive topics or niche markets. With invideo-io, you can easily create these videos, no camera needed. Choose your template, add your text, and let the AI work its magic. The platform offers a wide range of templates designed for various purposes, from social media posts to educational videos, marketing campaigns, and more. Want to add some flair? invideo-io offers thousands of stock images, videos, and music tracks just at your fingertips. This extensive library ensures that you have all the resources you need to create visually appealing and engaging videos. Customizing is a snap. Adjust colors, fonts, and transitions to match your style. No editing experience is required. invideo-io's intuitive interface makes it super simple, even for beginners. Start creating captivating faceless videos today with invideo-io. Your audience will love the professional quality, and you'll love the ease of production. The platform's advanced AI technology takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your content and creativity. Remember, it's not about showing your face, it's about showcasing your content. With invideo-io, the power to create is at your fingertips. High-quality, engaging videos can help you grow your audience, increase your reach, and boost your revenue. invideo-io offers full courses and tutorials to master the platform. These resources provide in-depth guidance on how to use the various features and tools available, helping you to maximize the potential of the platform. Create niche-specific content effortlessly. Whether you're targeting a specific audience, promoting a particular product, or sharing specialized knowledge, invideo-io makes it easy to create content that resonates with your viewers. Automation and efficiency are at the core of invideo-io. The platform's AI-driven features streamline the video production process, saving you time and effort. This means you can produce high-quality videos faster and more efficiently than ever before. Watch your subscriber count grow as you produce high-quality videos. Engaging, professional-quality videos can help you attract new viewers, retain existing ones, and build a loyal audience. Check out real-world examples and case studies to see the success others have achieved. These success stories provide valuable insights and inspiration, showing you what's possible with invideo-io. Don't miss out on the 50% discount link in the description below. This limited-time offer provides an excellent opportunity to get started with invideo-io at a reduced cost. Let's dive deeper into the features of invideo-io. One of the standout features is the extensive library of templates. These templates are designed by professionals and cover a wide range of categories, including social media, marketing, education, and more. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to add and arrange elements in your video. Simply select the elements you want to include, such as text, images, and video clips, and drag them into place. invideo-io also offers advanced editing tools for those who want to take their videos to the next level. These tools include options for adding transitions, effects, and animations, as well as advanced color correction and audio editing features. Another key feature of invideo-io is the extensive library of stock footage, images, and music tracks. This library provides a wealth of resources to enhance your videos and make them more engaging. The platform also offers intelligent editing suggestions to help you create the best possible video. These suggestions are based on the content of your video and can help you improve the flow, pacing, and overall quality of your video. invideo-io's automation features streamline the video production process, saving you time and effort. This means you can produce high-quality videos faster and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine the monetization potential with viral content creation. High-quality, engaging videos can help you grow your audience, increase your reach, and boost your revenue. invideo-io offers full courses and tutorials to master the platform. These resources provide in-depth guidance on how to use the various features and tools available, helping you to maximize the potential of the platform. Create niche-specific content effortlessly. Whether you're targeting a specific audience, promoting a particular product, or sharing specialized knowledge, invideo-io makes it easy to create content that resonates with your viewers. Automation and efficiency are at the core of invideo-io. The platform's AI-driven features streamline the video production process, saving you time and effort. This means you can produce high-quality videos faster and more efficiently than ever before. Watch your subscriber count grow as you produce high-quality videos. Engaging, professional-quality videos can help you attract new viewers, retain existing ones, and build a loyal audience. Check out real-world examples and case studies to see the success others have achieved. These success stories provide valuable insights and inspiration, showing you what's possible with invideo-io. Don't miss out on the 50% discount link in the description below. This limited-time offer provides an excellent opportunity to get started with invideo-io at a reduced cost. In this chapter, we'll explore various ways to start making money online. From freelancing to starting your own e-commerce store, The opportunities are endless. Stay tuned as we dive into each method in detail. First, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. The demand for freelance work has never been higher, and you can set your own rates and choose projects that interest you. Imagine turning your passion into a paycheck, all from the comfort of your home. Next up, e-commerce. Starting your own online store has never been easier with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or dropshipping items, the potential for profit is immense. We'll guide you through the steps to set up your store, market your products, and manage your inventory effectively. Another lucrative option is creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or even stock photography. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. We'll show you how to create high-quality digital products that your audience will love. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn online. By promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link, you can build a passive income stream. We'll cover the best practices for selecting affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Lastly, consider monetizing your content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or a personal blog. With the right strategy, you can attract a loyal audience and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. We'll provide tips on content creation, audience engagement, and maximizing your earnings. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time online business, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these methods, providing you with actionable steps to start making money online today. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start earning money online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a plethora of opportunities for various skill sets. Let's look at how you can get started. First, identify your skills. Whether you're a talented writer, a skilled graphic designer, or a coding wizard, there's a demand for your expertise. Next, create a compelling profile. Highlight your skills, showcase your best work, and don't forget to include a professional photo. Then, start bidding on projects. Look for opportunities that match your skill set and submit proposals that clearly outline how you can add value. Remember, the key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio and earning positive reviews. As you complete projects and gain experience, you'll be able to command higher rates and attract more clients. So, take the plunge into freelancing today. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your skills into a profitable online business. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to unlock your earnings potential online. E-commerce is another lucrative option. Whether you want to sell handmade crafts or dropship products, platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your online store. We'll guide you through the process. First, choose a niche that interests you and has a market demand. Research trending products and identify your target audience. Next, create your store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to customize your storefront to reflect your brand. Once your store is set up, focus on high-quality product listings. Use clear, attractive photos and write detailed descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products. Don't forget to implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to help your products get discovered by potential customers. Marketing is key to driving traffic to your store. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach a broader audience. Engage with your customers, respond to inquiries promptly, and provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. E-commerce offers endless possibilities for growth. As you gain experience, you can expand your product range, improve your marketing strategies, and scale your business. Stay committed, and you'll see your online store flourish. Up next, we'll explore even more ways to maximize your online earnings. Stay tuned. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote. Learn how to get started and maximize your earnings. First, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will make it easier for you to create content and engage with your audience. Once you've selected your niche, sign up for affiliate programs that offer products relevant to your audience. Next, create a platform to promote your affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media page, or even a podcast. The key is to provide valuable content that resonates with your audience and naturally integrates affiliate links. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. Use product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles to showcase the benefits of the products you're promoting. Don't forget to disclose your affiliate relationships. Transparency builds trust with your audience and ensures compliance with legal requirements. Monitor your performance regularly. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. This will help you identify what's working and where you can improve. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies will help you stay ahead in the game. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable way to earn online. With dedication and the right strategies, you can build a sustainable income stream. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your online earnings. Content creation is booming. Whether it's blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, creating valuable content can attract a large audience and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Let's explore the best practices. First, choose a content niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make it easier to produce high-quality content consistently. Next, select the right platform for your content. If you enjoy writing, start a blog. If you prefer video, YouTube might be your best bet. For audio content, consider podcasting. Consistency is key in content creation. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts. This helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. High-quality content is essential. Invest in good equipment, whether it's a camera, microphone, or software, to ensure your content looks and sounds professional. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses their interests and questions. Building a loyal community around your content can lead to higher engagement and more opportunities for monetization. Monetize your content through multiple streams. Enable ads on your blog or YouTube channel. Seek out sponsorships from brands that align with your niche, and consider selling merchandise related to your content. Diversifying your income streams can make your content creation efforts more sustainable. Finally, keep learning and evolving. The digital landscape is always changing, and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies will help you stay ahead. Content creation can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor if done right. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your online earnings. Online courses and coaching are in high demand. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create courses or offer coaching services. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. First, identify your area of expertise. What unique knowledge or skills do you possess that others might find valuable? Once you've pinpointed your niche, start planning your course or coaching program. Outline the key topics you want to cover and structure your content in a way that is easy to follow and engaging. Creating high-quality course materials is crucial. Invest in good recording equipment and editing software to ensure your videos are clear and professional. Interactive elements like quizzes, assignments, and live sessions can enhance the learning experience and keep your students engaged. Marketing your course or coaching services effectively is key to attracting students. Utilize social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers in your niche to spread the word. Offering a free preview or a discount for early signups can also help generate interest. Lastly, continually update and improve your course content based on feedback from your students. This not only helps you stay relevant but also builds trust and credibility with your audience. By sharing your knowledge and helping others succeed, you can turn your expertise into a profitable venture. Stay tuned for more ways to maximize your online earnings. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate can also be done online. While these methods require some initial capital and knowledge, they can offer significant returns. We'll discuss the basics and how to get started. First, let's talk about stocks. Online trading platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, and TD Ameritrade make it easy to buy and sell stocks from the comfort of your home. Before diving in, it's crucial to educate yourself on the stock market, understand different types of stocks, and develop a solid investment strategy. Start by investing small amounts and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Next, cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment choice. Platforms such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken offer user-friendly interfaces for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. It's important to research and understand the volatile nature of the crypto market. Diversifying your investments and staying updated with market trends can help mitigate risks and maximize returns. Real estate investing has also moved online with platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with relatively low capital. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, real estate can provide a steady income through rental returns and property value appreciation. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so it's essential to do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial experts. By diversifying your investment portfolio and staying informed, you can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Stay tuned for more online earning opportunities. Remote work opportunities have surged, especially after the pandemic. Many companies are now offering remote positions in various fields. We'll look at how to find these opportunities and what skills are in demand. First, let's explore where to find remote job listings. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Remote.co specialize in remote job postings. These platforms allow you to filter searches specifically for remote work, making it easier to find positions that fit your skill set and interests. Next, it's important to understand what skills are currently in high demand for remote work. Technical skills such as programming, web development, and data analysis are highly sought after. Additionally, soft skills like communication, time management, and self-discipline are crucial for succeeding in a remote environment. To increase your chances of landing a remote job, consider upskilling through online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses that can help you acquire the necessary skills and boost your resume. Networking is another key aspect of finding remote work opportunities. Join professional groups on social media, attend virtual networking events, and connect with industry professionals to expand your network. Finally, when applying for remote positions, make sure your resume and cover letter highlight your relevant skills and experience. Tailor your application to each job, showcasing your ability to work independently and manage your time effectively. By leveraging these strategies, you can tap into the growing market of remote work opportunities and find a position that aligns with your career goals and lifestyle. Embrace the flexibility and freedom that remote work offers and take the next step towards a fulfilling online career. Stay tuned for more ways to unlock your earnings potential online. Building a personal brand can open up numerous opportunities. From speaking engagements to book deals, a strong personal brand can be a powerful asset. But how do you build and leverage your brand effectively? First, identify your unique value proposition. What sets you apart from others in your field? This could be your expertise, your approach, or your personal story. Once you know what makes you unique, it's time to showcase it. Start by creating a professional online presence. This includes a polished LinkedIn profile, an engaging personal website, and active social media accounts. Share valuable content that reflects your expertise and interests. This could be blog posts, videos, or even podcasts. Consistency is key. Regularly updating your platforms with fresh, relevant content helps build credibility and keeps your audience engaged. Networking is another crucial aspect of building your brand. Attend industry events, both online and offline, and connect with like-minded professionals. Don't be afraid to reach out for collaborations or mentorship opportunities. Building relationships can lead to speaking engagements, guest posts, and other opportunities to showcase your expertise. Additionally, consider offering your knowledge through online courses or webinars. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also provides value to your audience. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it easy to create and sell online courses. Remember, building a personal brand takes time and effort. Be patient, stay authentic, and keep providing value. Over time, your personal brand will become a powerful tool to unlock new opportunities and elevate your career. Stay tuned for more tips on how to unlock your earnings potential online. In conclusion, the internet offers countless opportunities to make money online. The key is to find what suits you best and take consistent action. Start today and take the first step towards financial freedom. From mastering faceless videos with invideo-io to building and leveraging your personal brand, each step you take brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Embrace the power of e-commerce, dive into affiliate marketing, and monetize your content creation. Turn your expertise into income and invest wisely to grow your wealth. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is unique for everyone. Whether it's remote work opportunities or building a personal brand, find what resonates with you and stay committed. With dedication and perseverance, the internet can be your gateway to a prosperous and fulfilling future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on unlocking your earnings potential online. Until next time, keep striving for success and take charge of your financial destiny.